Hello everyone, I am Vineet presenting our product Driver Drowsiness Detection and Monitoring System for Build for Digital India program by Google and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Now, India is a developing country with a population of around 150 crore people. Now, according to a recent data, since 2000, road length has increased by 39%, whereas the number of motor vehicles have increased by 158%. An increase in number of vehicles have increased the number of accidents too, in which 78% of those are due to the fault of driver. Now this could happen due to driver being less attentive and drowsy. To curb this problem, we have devised a system that keeps driver attentive. Whenever the driver yawns or closes his eye for more than a threshold time, then the alarm goes on to signal the driver. Also, this data is updated to a database which can be used by owner of the database fleet and by the authorities. Now, let's move on to the demo.